Okie dokie. Here we go with activity 3, manufacturing 1 and manufacturing 2 zones. Put some stuff in there. Let's see where we're going to place those. This is my manufacturing 1. So I've got a junction box here on this wall. I put one in the bathroom just in case. I don't know why. Maybe need one for hot water or something. And I've got some receptacles. And then I just spread some junction boxes around so if there's something nearby, we can get it wired up. So there's no specific placement, no specific number, nothing out of the ordinary. Just place some of these around. And then when we go look at manufacturing 2, there's a little bit more to think about. Each piece of equipment is going to need one. So this mill will need one. The lathe will need one. This mill will need one. The air compressor will need one. And this is for the roll-up door. The roll-up door takes power too. And then there will probably be some more that are needed here and there. So just place some around. Again, we're not doing much more than just counting up some stuff and making sure that we can do it. So you're just going to place some junction boxes. Okay, so there we go, and place some receptacles in the bathroom. Now after that, I'd like you to adjust the loads on the junction boxes and create circuits. And that's just something, each one of those pieces of equipment will take a certain kVA, power, watts, and you'll need to make sure that the junction box is sized so that the wires can pass that much energy without melting. And so it's critical that you have a good kVA listed. Now, if it's way too big, then you're using way too much wire. If it's too small, it might melt. I'd just like you to set these at either 1500, 2000, or 2500. So as an example, if I click on this one, on here it'll tell me this one I've set for 2000. Okay, it's called load. 2000 volt amps. Volts times amps equals power. See that right here. Power equals volts times amps. That's watts. So, since I know the volts and the kVA, I can find out the amps now, right? So, for instance, if I have 2000 kVA, right? And then this goes over to the other side to divided by 208 volts. That equals something. Let's see. It's going to equal 2000 divided by 208. 9 amps. That's how somebody will work with these numbers. You don't have to right now. Not part of this course or what you have to learn. I just showed that to you for extra information. But you will need to start learning how to read specifications so that you know how many kVA or volt amps to put on here. Okay, so 2000 volt amps is 2 kilovolt amps, 2 kVA. But this is in VA. So I'm going to put 2000 on that one, 2500 on that one, and these numbers are not magical. You can make something up. That one's 2500. There's plenty of power. 2000, and maybe maybe 2,000 again, 1,500. So just spread them around and do a mix of 1,500 or 2,000. And again, to change it, if I wanted to change this one, I would just type in the number under load, 1,500. And now that one's listed as 1,500. Okay, so you're going to do that for MFG1 and MFG2. And then go ahead and label the junction boxes, as you can see that I've done here. And that's putting a wire tag on it. Just add a wire tag to it. Okay, remember that systems, wire tag, get on that little node, click, click, and then it's annotate and tag by category. Really, this is a little sloppy to leave the leader line on. Usually that will get taken off, and this will be put somewhere very near that arrow. So if you have that opportunity, I would suggest you remove the leader line, click on the wire tag and remove it. And get it somewhere close. And again, this is telling the electrician which circuit to use for these boxes. Okay, now the way I did it is they're each on a separate circuit. These could go together if you want to. So there we go. Place the receptacles in junction boxes. Adjust those loads on the junction boxes, and just 1,500, 2,000, 2,500, make a mix, and then label the junction boxes. That's activity 3, and I don't think it's going to take you 2 hours. Again, just place them and put them in. We're not too worried about the specifics of it this time.